Woody, do you want to go outside and look at the rain with me? Oh, sorry, not right now. I'm a little busy. I think I'll pass. You sure? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and look at the rain. Okay.
Whoa! The rain on these trees are unbelievable. Whoa! Man, I want to go down that hill. Maybe I can roll down there. Let me. Wait, this isn't rolling. That was a bad idea. I gotta learn how to roll and not fall. Whoa! This is really wet on the tennis court. I've never seen anything like that. Whoa. That's cool. Whoa. Stupid rain. I slipped. I do not like the rain anymore.
Woody! Yeah? You're back? Yeah. Remind me to never go outside when it's raining again. Okay, whatever.